I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist trainer and assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a glycolic exfoliating cleanser. Now let me show you just how easy it is. Today we are making this glycolic exfoliating cleanser with a beautiful cream consistency to gently melt away dead skin cells, leaving you with beautiful polished skin. We will start by combining the water phase. I'm using a high input of humectant to balance the exfoliation and hydration, along with some allantoin, which will act as an anti-irritant. This is important because AHAs like glycolic acid work at a low pH, so we want to be balancing any discomfort from the low pH. For my exfoliant, I'm using a 70% glycolic acid solution for ease of addition. I'm using it at a little below the maximum regulatory input, giving me about 3.5% total glycolic acid in my formula. Now I'm just going to gently heat that. I'm also using a high HLB waxy emulsifier blend. This will give my exfoliating cleanser a creamy rather than a gel consistency. And because there's only a low input of wax, I'm going to add that directly to the water phase rather than heating it separately, which we normally do in emulsions. This will just avoid burning this wax. Now that my emulsion has cooled to below 40 degrees, I can add in my heat-sensitive material. I'm using Sepimax Zen as my rheology modifier. I've chosen Sepimax Zen because it's compatible with AHAs. I'm also using Centella Reversa, which is go-to cola extract, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and a broad-spectrum preservative. Now, all of these materials are compatible with a low pH so that it won't upset my formula. Once that has blended together all nicely, you can take it off, cover it over, and wait for it to reach its full viscosity overnight. And when we come back, we can check and adjust the pH to between 3.4 and 3.8 to suit the glycolic acid. This beautiful, creamy, textured AHA glycolic exfoliating cleanser. See? And that's how easy it is to make a glycolic exfoliating cleanser. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for all our free formulas. Happy formulating!